How to use Relevance AI Appointment Setter. So let's just begin. So basically, Relevance AI lets you make an automated appointment setter. So if you are in a business where you need to set appointments with different type of clients, or maybe you have team members and you want to set appointments, you can create a tool for that. So you can see head out to your tools section, and now we're going to be simply clicking on this new tool option on the top right side of your screen. Once we do that, you can see I'm going to be zooming in a bit so you can see much more clearly. In here, I need to simply type make an basically appointment setter um, agent, right? So I'm going to be clicking on start and just wait for a couple of moments until it does its magic. So basically it is going to be creating an automated appointment setter that's going to be helping you to automatically set it. So it could be on Google Calendar, Outlook, or custom systems. So let's just tell it on Google Calendar. Now it is going to be setting the appointments on Google Calendar. So it is asking that whether it is going to be handling rescheduling or cancellation or stuff. So just type in here yes. So it is going to be taking that. Now our model is created. All you need to do is simply connect your Google Calendar account or Google account in general, and boom, you got that. Simply run your tool after you connect your account, and you have your model good to go. To get access to Relevance AI, you can use the link in the description below to get some extended benefits and rewards. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.